Current Affairs, the 19th of April 2020. Union Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar launches Kisan Rath app. Union Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar launched transport aggregator mobile app Kisan Rath, which will bring together 5 lakh trucks and 20,000 tractors on mobile platform for transporting farm produce to markets from farm gate. During lockdown, farmers are finding it difficult to book tractors and trucks for transporting their produce. This app will help them bring their commodities to mandis and other market yards. India's Arogya Setu app becomes world's highest downloaded app in just 13 days. Arogya Setu, the union government's contact tracing app that helps track COVID-19 cases and helps in fighting the infection, has become the world's fastest growing mobile app with 50 million users in just 13 days. It detects and tracks the user's movement with the help of GPS and Bluetooth sensors and sends out a notification if they come in contact with infected people by using its database and algorithms. India is the most digitally dexterous country in the world. The Gartner 2019 Digital Workplace Survey found that India is the most digitally dexterous country in the world, followed by the UK and the US, due to having the largest Gen Z workforce along with the desire to learn new skills using digital technologies in the workplace. 67% of digital workers in India said emerging technologies such as machine learning, ML, artificial intelligence, AI, Internet of Things, IoT, are increasing their effectiveness at work, according to a survey by Gartner, Inc. MNRE appoints IREDA to handle CPSU scheme. The Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, MNRE, has appointed the Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency Limited, IREDA, as the implementing agency to handle the Central Public Sector Undertaking, CPSU, scheme Phase 2 on its behalf in fresh amendments. The amended clause also added that all issues regarding time extension and dispute resolution on force majeure events will also be dealt by IREDA. Chhattisgarh government launches CGHAAT website. To facilitate doorstep delivery of fruits and vegetables during the extended lockdown phase, Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel launched the online delivery website, CGHAAT, at his residence. GSK, Sanofi join hands to develop COVID-19 vaccine. Drug giants GlaxoSmithKline, GSK, and Sanofi are joining forces and technologies to develop an adjuvanted COVID-19 vaccine. Under the collaboration, Sanofi will contribute its S-protein COVID-19 antigen, which is based on recombinant DNA technology, and GSK will contribute its proven pandemic adjuvant technology, which is designed to boost the immune response to vaccine and can be of particular importance in a pandemic situation since it may reduce the amount of vaccine protein required per dose. SBI report sees FY21 real GDP growth at 1.1%. State Bank of India, SBI, has estimated the real GDP growth for the current financial year at 1.1%. It estimates the overall loss for FY21 at about 12.1 lakh rupees crore or 6% of the nominal GVA, gross value added, taking the nominal GVA growth for entire year to be around 4.2%. Post office employees to get 10 lakh rupees compensation if they succumb to COVID-19 on duty. The center has decided to provide a compensation of 10 lakh rupees to all postal employees including Gramin Dak Sevaks (GDS) succumbing to the disease while brought on duty. The Department of Posts comes under Essential Services. The postal employees performing various duties to provide customers mail delivery, post office saving bank, postal life insurance, the ease of money withdrawal at her doorstep from any bank and any branch under the AEPS facility. Additionally, it is also delivering COVID-19 kits, food packets, rations and essential medicines etc. CSIRNAL develops personal protective coverall suit to combat COVID-19. The Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, CSIR, Constituent Lab in Bengaluru, CSIR National Aerospace Laboratories, CSIRNAL, along with MAF Clothing Private Limited, Bengaluru has developed and certified the overall protective coverall suit. The polypropylene spun laminated multi-layered non-woven fabric-based coverall can be used to ensure the safety of doctors, nurses, paramedical staff and healthcare workers working round the clock on COVID-19 mitigation. CENS develops portable sensor to ease heavy metal detection in water. Center for Nano and Soft Matter Sciences, CENS, has developed a compact solid-state sensor to detect the heavy metal in water. It is a portable device which can help on-site detection in remote areas. A team of researchers led by Dr. Pralay K. Santra at Center for Nano and Soft Matter Sciences have developed a compact solid-state sensor to detect the heavy metal ions, example lead ions down to 0.4 parts per billion ppb for efficient on-site detection. TVS Motor Company acquires Norton Motorcycles. TVS Motor Company announced the acquisition of the United Kingdom's most iconic sporting motorcycle, Norton, in an all-cash deal, for £16 million, by acquiring certain assets of Norton Motorcycles, UK, through one of TVS Motor's overseas arms. Norton Motorcycles manufactures popular products like V4RR, Dominator, Commando 961 Cafe Racer Mk2 and Commando 961 Sport Mk2. IL&FS sells entire stake in wind power arm to Japan's Oryx Corp. Cash-strapped infrastructure leasing and financial services, IL&FS, said it has sold its 100% stake in IL&FS Wind Power Services Limited, IWPSL, to Oryx Corporation, Japan, for 6.05 crore rupees. IWPSL, a wholly owned subsidiary of IL&FS Energy Development Company, IEDSL, is engaged in providing supervisory and management support services to 7 operating wind power generating special purpose vehicles. Jim Corbett sets up India's first quarantine facility for animals. India's oldest national park, Jim Corbett, situated in Uttarakand's Pari Garhwal region, has built isolation wards for animals. In a bid to prevent the spread of COVID-19 to tigers through the humans, the National Tiger Conservation Authority, NTCA, has recently issued a direction that all workers coming in contact with tigers and elephants should be tested for novel COVID-19.